am audible to all of you? Okay, I don't know Marathi, so Anand साहब, I think that was very encouraging. मैं समझने की कोशिश कर रहा था आप क्या कह रहे हैं, लेकिन जो शिद्दत साहब कह रहे थे, I was trying to कोशिश करूंगा मैं सेम शिद्दत से मैं बात करूं, because ये शहर मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं बताता हूँ क्यों. हिंदी और इंग्लिश में बात करता हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा, राइट. हम जब बाहर मिले भी थोड़ी देर पहले ओवर टी एंड कॉफी, तो पारा ने कहा कि यू हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट अ फेलियर स्टोरी. तो मुझे लगा कि मैं वापस चल जाऊँ, खैर ऐसे ही मुझे बहुत पेन हो रहा है कंधे पे, बिकॉज आई थिंक आई नेवर हैड अ फेलियर स्टोरी इन माई लाइफ, बिकॉज whenever I thought that failure is coming to me, I fell in love with that. So my life is all about love story then failure story. I tell you how. Before I got married, I had 15 girlfriends. So I stopped because I got married. I had no choice because Indian legal systems are very strong and women empowerment. So I wish my wife had allowed me to have 16, 17, 18, 20th girlfriend. I would have loved to have, but I had only 15. I have to stop there. But I'm not going to spend another 15 minutes in explaining about those 15 girlfriends. Most of them are in Bombay. We are good friends today. Their husband knows me very well. The kids knows me very well. That's my college. But anyways, thank you so much, Bala, for calling me to this platform. My name is Santosh. I'm just 20 years old with 25 years of experience, so I'm 45 years old. That gives my. I have got 4 kids. 4 बच्चों का बाप हूँ मैं. सबसे बड़ा मेरा बेटा है. His name is Nirvan. He is right now in Bombay. Must be sleeping now. Sunday. He's 15 years old. Then I've got 13 years old baby by the name of 4C Aviation Private Limited, which was born 13 years back. That's my first company. So my second baby. My third baby is Book My Jet, which was born last year on the 17th of June 2021. And my latest baby is 4C Startup Catalyst, wherein I invest in startups through this company. So I've got 4 babies. एक लड़का, बाकी आप डिसाइड करो लड़की लड़की क्या हो सकता है उस तीनों कंपनी. I'll take through my life journey. It's pretty interesting, I would say. But then उससे मैंने क्या सीखा वो बता देता हूँ मैं. बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है. So I'm from Jamshedpur. All of you know Jamshedpur, Tata Nagar, right? Bala said that you guys are proving to be a bit dull. So I suggest that be a part of each other's journey. काफी मजा आएगा आप लोगों को because काफी interesting journey है बहुत सारे लोगों की यहाँ पर ही. So the first lesson I learned in my life was always listen to your parent, except when you're getting married, right? शादी करना अपने मर्जी से करो, उसके बाद जो करना करो, लेकिन जब जिंदगी का जितना भी बड़ा डिसीजन होना, always listen to your parents. Because 1997, if I had not listened to my dad, I would not have come to Bombay, right? That was the year when I got through some. I wanted to be in aviation. मुझे जहाज और फिल्मों से बहुत प्यार है, right? Give me these 2 things, I can spend my life with these 2 things in my life, right? So 1997, I got through some college. कहीं से letter आया मेरे पास, and I was like very happy that I have got through some engineering college, some aviation engineering college. So I was like, wow, I've done it. This is what I wanted in my life. My dad said, no, you're not going. And my family is very liberal. They would never say no to anything. If you want to go out and watch a porn film, they'll say go out, no problem. You want to have a date with whatever, do whatever. But for the first time in life, my dad said, no, you're not going. And I was like, what is this? Has he gone mad or what? I wanted to be in aviation. I've got to this college. Why not? To cut a long story short, I did not go. Somebody came into my life that time. Listen to that person. I came to Bombay. मैं Bombay आया 1997 को, and then for the first time I heard this word called FI, SY, TY, first year, second and third year. So my GRE said कि जाओ और अपने कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले लो. So I went out looking for admission in college. बारिश का वक्त था उस वक्त, I remember. I did not get through any college, though I had a very good percentage. But यहाँ पे काफी quota system था उस वक्त. Lot of quota system was here. And being a very short-tempered person, I'm still a very short-tempered person. मैंने किसी कॉलेज जाके पेपर फाड़ दिए कि how dare you don't give me admission and stuff like that. So I almost decided to go back to Jamshedpur when somebody called me up. My dad's friend, he said, listen, you'll get through National College. So I am from National College, Bandra. That time I was very shy. मैं किसी से बात नहीं कर सकता था, बात तो करना दूर की बात, अगर मेरे सामने से 3-4 लोग आ जाए तो मैं ऐसे भी हाथ पैर मेरी कांपती थी उस वक्त. So I made a good friend. She lives in Mira Road. I wish she was here today, but she had played a very good role in my life. मैं उसके पास गया when I was in college, got to college 97, and then I said, listen, I'm very shy. I don't know how to talk to people. मुझे बातें करनी नहीं आती है, मुझे लोगों से कैसे अप्रोच करनी आता. What should I do? So she got me a job, and my life journey started from there. I guess my life actually started from Bombay, from a place called Juhu Beach. So in 1997, towards I guess September, I started selling juice. Tropicana juice आता था. So Tropicana juice में बेचा करता था जुहू बीच में, अक्सा बीच पे, bakeries में, grocery store में. I used to get 250 rupees that time. And रात के वक्त after 10 o'clock I used to sell Act 2 popcorn. Popcorn, Act 2 popcorn आता है कि डेट पे. उसका launch हुआ था उस वक्त. So I used to get 125 rupees. But then I learned one thing. That no work is small. कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता है. अब कोई रोड के बीच में, my father would have easily afforded my studies, no problem. He was from Tata Group, but I never told my dad. In fact, अभी 5 years back he came to know that I had to do all this work during my college days. So juice बेचना, पेपर बेचना, शराब के अड्डे के बाहर कीचेन बेचना, सब मैंने किया उस वक्त. But कहते हैं ना कि मर्द बन गया था. I started talking to people, learned how to talk to people, and that's when I realized one thing, that if you really want to learn something in life, the best way is go out to people and talk to them. It doesn't matter कि आप बस चलाते हैं, it doesn't matter कि आप running through Adivasis, you're running a security company. There are many people out here. Talk to anyone and they'll teach you the best lesson. Anyways, college खत्म हो गया, and then I got my first formal job here in Vile Parle. कृष्णा अपार्टमेंट है कि यहाँ पे रेडियंसी. काफी दौड़ धूप के, आई थिंक आई गॉट अ सैलरी ऑफ 400 रुपीज. उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद अजय देवगन एंड हिज कंपनी फॉर सम टाइम. एक सपना पूरा हुआ बिकॉज फिल्म चाहिए था मेरे को. बाय द वे, व्हाइल आई वाज वर्किंग एंड डूइंग ऑल दिस ऑड जॉब, I enjoyed every bit of my life. That's the biggest lesson I would give to anyone. अगर मुझे आज किसी को कुछ बताना पड़े क्या है, तो should enjoy every bit of your life, every bit. You'll be surprised. I taught my college. I'm an economics gold medalist from my college. Doing all this job, मैं रात के 12 बजे ऑफिस लौटता था. I still managed to top my college. Right? उस कॉलेज का रिकॉर्ड मैंने 3.5 तोड़े थे मैंने 2000 में. Of course, my record was later broken by somebody else. Right? Then I went to Delhi for my masters, completed masters, but I was not happy with my job. मुझे चाहिए था कि I wanted to work. I wanted aviation. I wanted aircraft, and aircraft. And as luck would have it, in 2005, I got to a company. To that company, from one aircraft, that company had one private jet. I took that company to 8 private jets in 4 years. From one client to 289 clients in 4 years. From one office to 5 offices across India in 4 years. But being a very emotional person, in 2009, I quit the job, and that's where the biggest thing happened in life. 26th of September 2009, I left the job, and like a typical middle class person, I looked for a job. Next day, मैंने job ढूंढ भी लिया था, and that's where the lady who later on became my wife. I'm married twice, by the way, so. So the lady who is my wife today, she was reporting to me that time. So today I reported to her. आज मैं report करता हूँ उसको. She told me one thing. The 27th exactly was date of 28th of September. She said, "Listen, Santosh, you are a highly emotional person. आपने अभी जॉब छोड़ा है, आप फिर जॉब पढ़ोगे, फिर आप कंपनी को बड़ा करोगे, फिर आप कुछ होगा, फिर आप कंपनी छोड़ दोगे. You will again cry. Why do you want to do a job? Why don't you start something of your own?" And that's how Fort C Aviation was born in 2009. 1st October 2009, Fort C Aviation was born that time. And then, of course, she joined me later on, and then उसके बाद हमने कंपनी शुरू किया. कंपनी फर्स्ट क्लास चल रही है डेट पे. The second lesson, the most important lesson that I learned during that time was that I kept challenging myself. Right? I never stopped. Being from middle class family, ज़्यादा कुछ पैसे का ये था नहीं, but still I was like, मेरा नाम संतोष है, लेकिन मैं हमेशा संतोष रहता हूँ. So that's what my parents says कि हमसे सबसे बड़ी गलती जो हुई थी तुम्हारा नाम देना हुआ संतोष, तुम्हारा नाम एक्चुअली होना चाहिए संतोष, because I'm never satisfied with my name. I'm never satisfied. मुझे कुछ अच्छा मिलता मुझे और चाहिए बेहतर. So first year we did a turnover of 7 crores and that was only in 6 months. And like हम लोगों ने 7 करोड़ कभी जिंदगी में देखा नहीं था, कभी 7 करोड़ रुपया सोचा कभी नहीं सोचा था. That company went into a legal battle में केस हो गया था हमारे ऊपर, सब 3 साल चला केस, बोला but anyways settle. तो हम लोग कंपनी शुरू करने के पहले साल we went to labor court, we went to high court, we went to mediation, we went to police station, we went to every place. Income tax सब हो चुका था हमारी कंपनी में, first year of the company. So that's why my father says कि तुम लोगों ने सब कुछ देख लिया पहले साल ही, But that made us learn one thing, that all these government authorities, with all due respect, they are not bad. They are just authorities. They are just doing their job. You should know how to handle, because जितने बड़े आप बनोगे ना, उतना बड़ा केस होगा, and you should know how to handle it. आपने कभी सुना है कि अदानी के ऊपर 1 करोड़ रुपया केस हुआ? कभी नहीं होता है. उनके ऊपर केस होता है 10,000 करोड़ का. So you want to become in life, so get ready to handle these cases. बड़ा मजा आता है actually handle करने में. Anyways, 2000 cut down to 2018. That was a time when I was going through my worst phase of my life, the worst phase. I got into too much of drinking. I got too much into smoking. मैं चेन स्मोकर बन चुका था. शराबी के नाम पे तो मैं मिसाल बन चुका था उस वक्त. मेरी घर और मेरे ऑफिस वॉज 4 minutes, जस्ट 4 minute डिस्टेंस, और उस 4 minute डिस्टेंस में मैं 4 पैक मार के घर जाया करता था. दिस इज फैक्ट. मेरे गाड़ी में एक बार था, आई हैड अ बार इन माय कार. मैं हर रोज शराब पी के घर जाया करता था, नॉट टू एंजॉय माई सेल्फ, आई वॉज एस्केपिंग. जो मेरी लाइफ में तहलका मचा हुआ था पर्सनल लाइफ में, मैं भाग रहा था उससे, सिर्फ भाग रहा था. शराब पीने के बाद होश रहता नहीं है ना, एंड वी थिंक दैट वी आर एंजॉयिंग अवरसेल्फ, वी आर एक्चुअली एस्केपिंग. Right? And that somebody came into my life and said, listen, fight it out. आग जला है ना तो बुझाओ उसको, भागो मत उससे. Anyways, 2018 मेरे डिवोर्स केस शुरू हुई. 2019 I took my son, I left the house, एक घर लिया, शिफ्ट किया वहाँ पर ही. लाइफ फिर ट्रैक मारना शुरू हुआ वापस 2019 से, जब मैंने समझा कि ठीक है. Still I party twice a week. मैं आज भी पार्टी करता हूँ. लास्ट नाइट आई वाज पार्टिंग राइट इन बॉम्बे, जो हमारा एक ट्रेडिशन है बॉम्बे का. एंड 2000 लास्ट ईयर माय डिवोर्स केस गॉट ओवर टोटली. ये भी किस्सा एक है, बिकॉज आई वांटेड माय सन टू बी विथ मी, ही इज देयर विथ मी वेरी हैप्पीली. केस खत्म हुआ हमारा 15th February शाम के 4:58 को. मेरे पेपर मिला था कोर्ट से, बिकॉज कोविड चल रहा था तो पेपर लेट आ रहा था. सो आई गॉट द पेपर एट 4:58 PM ऑन द इवनिंग ऑफ 15th February 2021. 16th मॉर्निंग आई गॉट मैरिड अगेन. सो नो टाइम वेस्ट, हम नेक्स्ट शादी कर ली हमने. एंड 19th को रियलाइज की अच्छा शादी हो गई मेरी, बिकॉज वी वर इन Maldives having a honeymoon. So on. Today we are very happy. My son is very happy. He's very pally with my wife, and me and my wife both are directors in the company, same company. We are running 3 companies now together. I learned one thing in all this journey. Last year I quit smoking. मैंने प्लान नहीं किया था, but just छोड़ दी मैंने smoking. No emotions, trust me. But I left smoking because the reason was that I was having panic attacks. मेरे को पहले आ चुकी थी. So I said no, it's high time because I have a son to look after. I've got a parents. My sister lives here in Mira Road. My eldest sister, सबसे बड़ी बहन है मेरी, और मैं घर में सबसे छोटा हूँ. तो हमारे घर में उल्टा गंगा बहता है, So they all are afraid of me. कि अगर भाई ने बोल दिया कुछ तो वही होगा घर में, where I don't want this to happen. My sister was having a very bad, a very tough time. She just got over last week. तो उनकी 3 बेटियां हैं. तो कहते हैं ना कि अगर आपके पास कुछ है ना, शेयर क्या करो. अगर पास 2 रुपया भी है ना, तो 1 रुपया दे दिया करो. मतलब not as दान whatever. But I took care of my sister's family also. 3 daughters. Fortunately, or by God's grace, the eldest daughter is working with EY, 3 years. Second daughter got through Quicksilver Bangalore, and the third daughter is doing very well. She's in second year of college. So, वो settle हो गया. My life is settled. I told my son, I keep telling my son one thing, that whatever you want to do in life, whatever you want to do, but never stop enjoying yourself. Just enjoy yourself. कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है, enjoy yourself. पैसा is not a problem. पैसा आ जाएगा. In fact, one story which I'll tell you before I end, I think time's getting over. Last year October, my wife was sleeping. I was here, obviously. So I wanted to buy a new car. So मेरे फ्रेंड ने फोन किया, संतोष भाई आपका वो गाड़ी आ गया है. He said आपका वो गाड़ी आ गया है. मैं बताता हूँ कौन सी. So I said ठीक है, कितना में दोगे? तो बोला इतना में. मैं बोला नहीं इतना में दो. धीरे धीरे बात करें हम लोग. Like my wife is a very 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 sharp listener. मैं धीरे धीरे बात कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं कितना में दोगे? बोले इतना में. बोले नहीं इतना में इतना. कहते कहते भी नेगोशिएट. ऐसा ठीक है डन. रात के 11:47 को ये बात हो रही है. मैं बोला डन. मैंने लैपटॉप खोला और मैंने उसको फटाफट पैसा ट्रांसफर किया. जो भी थोड़ा सा पैसा ट्रांसफर किया. Next morning I tell my wife, listen, I have booked a car. She said, which one? I said, BMW. She looked at me and she said, have you gone mad? I said, no. The biggest lesson in my life was, I never compromise with my dreams. जो मैं देखता हूँ सपना ना पूरा करता हूँ, चाहे उसके लिए मुझे कुछ भी करना पड़े. Not murdering people or not killing anyone, but I can go to any extent to fulfill my dream. I wanted to have a BMW ever in my life. I bought it in a span of 1.5 minutes, 1 minute and 30 seconds possibly. I bought that car, right? So at the end, my life is full of love stories. I keep falling in love every moment. I don't, take struggle as struggle. Struggle हमेशा होते रहती है. इधर आने में struggle, घर जाने में struggle. मैं खड़ा हूँ यहाँ पर वो भी struggle because I'm having a huge pain right now, right? But then the best part is looking at this audience, beautiful people, and that was Sunday morning. Nothing beautiful than that. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That was all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.